Do you need a large space to install an automatic car wash? Many people, when first learning about the automatic car wash model, often have the same question. Do you need a large space to install an automatic car wash? This is the very practical question because space is the first factor that needs to be determined before deciding to invest. With the Go&Go automatic car wash line, one of the pioneering brands in Vietnam, the answer is that there is the space requirement, but it does not need to be as large as a gas station or a large garage. With just an area of about 200 square meters or more, with a frontage with 10 meters wide, you can completely deploy the model in a methodical, professional, and stable, profitable way. Why is just a large space needed? Because for a 4 to 9 seat car to be washed automatically, there needs to be enough space for the car to enter, move through the machine system, then have a waiting area and an access area. On average, its automatic car wash with Go&Go machine only takes 7 to 8 minutes thanks to the fully automatic process from high pressure watering, separating snow from brushing, washing the chassis to drying. However, if you only focus on the machine and forget to clean the area, it can easily lead to congestion, long waiting time, dissatisfied customer, affecting operating efficiency. Therefore, 200 to 300 square meters is the ideal area to arrange the car entry area, car wash area, car care area, waiting area, and relaxation space for customer. In addition, to increase revenue per customer, you can combine additional car care service such as interior cleaning, vacuuming, paint polishing, nano coating, service, or sell additional products such as perfume, steering wheel covers, car decoration. This combination not only helps customers stay longer, but also significantly increases revenue for the station. Go&Go designed the model with the mindset of car washing is the customer attracting service. Car care is the source of high revenue. And to operate this model, you only need 2 to 3 employees for the entire station. Why? Because Go&Go machine have automatic almost the entire process. Employees only need to support driving car, handle the final operation, such as cleaning windows, general inspection, collecting money, and consulting on additional service. It is even possible to train relatives and locals to operate after a few basic training sessions. Another outstanding advantage is the built-in car counter, helping owners easily track the number of cars each day, summarize revenue, and evaluate business performance by time frame. The cost for a car wash currently ranges from $3 to $5 time, depending on the area. Meanwhile, the cost for each wash is only about 3 cents to 4 cents, including electricity, water, and chemical. Not only mention the revenue from the accompanying car care service. If you regularly operate 30 to 15 cars every day, the profit calculation is extremely promising. Of course, a beautiful location, convenient location is an equally important factor. If you have a location near residential area, near market, supermarket, administrative center, or a major road with a lot of traffic, that is the golden advantage. Because the habits of washing cars periodically is the realness, there is no need to advertise loudly. Just do good quality, customers will come back regularly. In addition, for the machine to operate effectively, it needs a 3-phase power source, 380 volts. This is a popular type of electricity in production and can easily pulled if located in an urban area, residential area, or in a major road frontage. A small but very important part is the machine quantity counter, or data is compiled in the vehicle counting and reporting system, helping you to control your business activities remotely, flexibly, and conveniently even you are not at the station. It can be said that Go&Go automatic car wash machine is not only suitable for investors who already have a firm business, but also a smart choice for those who want to pioneer in the field of modern service, optimize human resources, and build long-term reputation. If you have a premises of 200 square meters or more, located in densely populated area on a busy road, don't miss the opportunity to be ahead of the market. Turn that premises into a smart, clean, fast, professional, easy to operate car wash and care station. This is the new trend in the car wash industry, and Go&Go is ready to accompany you from the service, consultation, design, installation to operation transfer. If you need more specific advice, please leave a comment or contact us directly. The Go&Go team will support you step by step to help you deploy the model successfully and most effectively.